We'll go on YouTube. Another beautiful day, man. Finna head out to this shoot with Red Labs Media. Got my boy Truck Fit Taylor with me, repping LSR merch. You see how we coming, man. GSXR Nation. Got my carbon fiber on there. I know y'all see that, bro. It looks like a completely different bike. I'm absolutely in love with it. It looks so sick. Another day, about to head out to the Star in Frisco. Gonna meet up with him there, get our rollers and get everything done. You see the beautiful bikes, bro. It don't get no better than this. So we're gonna get out there, ride out there, and you see it, and my boy got the KYT on. Yeah, yes sir, y'all see it. I'm gonna tag LSR in there as well, and tag his Instagram in there. We finna head out to this shoot, see how it goes, man, and I'll be seeing y'all soon. Peace. Ooh, he right behind me too, bro. Y'all finna see the biggest, biker ever, bro.
Damn, boy, he's thick.
Oh shoot! Oh, he wildin'. He barely made that too. Let's get it, man. Woo! Feels good out here today, baby. Finna do some really good riding. Really? I'm in neutral now? I haven't done this in a while. Let's go ahead and do it. It looks so good though. It looks so good, yo. Good to see you, bro. One of the sickest 750s that I've seen out here. Got the stickers on there and everything, bro. It looks perfect. It's looking good. Sitting nice. Truck Fit Taylor, man. Yo, make sure y'all give my boy a follow. Oh. Beautiful day to ride. Like 6'4", 300 and strong as hell. Biggest biker you'll see. He look clean though. Yeah. What a beautiful day it is out here, man. Absolutely beautiful McLarens, bro. Golly, look at this. Look at these cars, bro. These are like never before seen type of whips. Ooh, that Maserati is so sick. Dude, these cars are insane. Anyways, that's the type of stuff that you see when you come to a place like New York, bro. I had to show you that real quick, man. I'll see y'all later. Peace. Alright, man, we finally got direction. Finally finna link up with them boys and get this shoot going, bro. It is hotter than I don't know what right now. It is hotter than I don't know what. But content calls. Right now it ain't work. Damn, y'all cutting corners? Hey, capos. So my boy good? All right, he on his way. Hey, hold up, hold up, hold up. Downshift, hold up, yeah. Put that bit in neutral. That little bit of wind feels so good, bro. My boy out here in the shorts, man. He got the clean shoes on. Them shoes tough. I think it's like 90 something degrees outside right now. I'm not too sure. Hot as hell, bro. Every time we stop, I'm sweating. That green light coming in. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Golly. What the hell going on, bro? They finna come through here. Damn. I was ready to go too. Now, chat, tell me if y'all can see them lights and tell me if it's green right now, because I can't even see anything. I'm finna just run this hoe, to be honest. No, I'm kidding. I'm a law-abiding citizen. We should have cued the elevator music or something. Ooh, that's a nice color on that Porsche, boy. Really nice color on that Porsche. Oh yeah, hand signals are key, new riders. This means you're going that way. You can honestly just point if you're gonna go to the left though, I mean honestly. But yeah, hand signals are everything, bro. There's a lot of different hand signals. Obviously, I think everybody knows that the helmet tap is the cops, or the ops, like we like to call them. Where they at? Where they at? Where they at? Where they at? I think they're here. There he goes. Woo. What's good? What's good? Long time no see, man. How you been? Doing good, bro. Doing good. Made it out here, man. We finna make some magic happen. So I'll let y'all see the finishing product. I'm pretty sure you guys will see it on the Instagram, but we'll let y'all see what happens later. Do you mind? I can put you on the camera, right? So boy, Red Labs Media, man. I'm gonna tag his Instagram in there. He had some sick shit of me last time. We're finna get some sick stuff today. So I'll let y'all see what goes on, man. These are the bikes. We finally made it to the spot. I'll see y'all later, man. Peace.